So how to crochet small parts. So it's too tiny to hold my finger in it and to crochet. So instead I'm starting a new row. I'll put my stitch marker over here and I push the other side a bit lower, and it helps me to start crocheting under 2 loops. I have only single crochet stitches in this pattern. Now I'll open it and I'll do the same. Then I can have my tension as it should be. Again, I'll open and push it. Again, I'll keep my finger over here. And it comes with the practice. Then you will do it automatically. Again, open and push it down. And my row is done. Look, still neat and beautiful. I hope it helps. Thank you.